in hope. Bagyon Teresa सांगता वर्वशाची वाट चलुया. अपुरबाईच्या भुरग्यानो, बाबा भयणानो, आज आमी व्हडा दोबाज्यान ही आमच्या पात्रोनाची परब सोबरवूंक हे वेदी भोंवतणी सगळी मोगान, विस्वासान, बाबार्थान एकठांय जाल्या. आनी सर्वेस्पर देव आमचेर सगल्यांचेर आपलो भरपूर आशिर्वाद आनी कृपेची देणी राशींनी रोखयता. आयच्या पयल्या वाचपान आमकां God's tender love, देवाचो अप्रिमीत मोग मनशां सरशीं आमकां दाखोड करता. एक आवय आपल्या बाळाच्या भुरग्याक कितें भाशेन आपल्या मोगान वेगवयता, दादोशी करता, तसोच आमचो देव मोगाळ बाप आमचे सोरीन वागता आनी आपल्या मोगाचें जिवीत आमचे उंटयेंत राशींनी रोखयता. God's love is not harsh but always gentle and life-giving. देवाचो मोग आमकां कितें भाशेन जिवीत दिता, सुगर्णायक दिता आनी सासणांक तोपपाच्या जिवितान तो आमकां जण एकल्याक धादोशी करता. आयचो जबाब बाबा भयणानो आमी असो म्हणा, सर्वेस्परा तुज्या कोपांत म्हजो आत्मो शांतीन सांबाळ. शांती म्हज्या आनी तुज्या जिवितान एकदम मोलाची आनी शांतीन जिवीत सारता तेन्ना आमचें जिवीत सूख जाता. ह्या खातीर आमच्या मोगाळ बापाय फुडें आमकां शांती मागुया. बापा तुजी शांती मागता, तुजे वेगेंत आमी येता. शांतीन आमकां भोर सायबा, शांती तुजी दी आमकां.
My mission to love will begin after my death. These are the words of Saint Teresa of Child Jesus. I, Sister Libya Fernandez, the headmistress of Saint Teresa High School, Santisteva. In this festal mood, we celebrate the feast of our patroness. I feel admired and honored today while I celebrate this feast along with the parishioners, the staff, the students, the benefactors, the ex-teachers, our ex-students, and all those who made time, the parents especially, to take part in our joys. Our celebration began today with our school band welcoming the guest with a festal song on Saint Teresa, which was presented by Standard 10th and Standard 3rd, with a brave dance and the virtues that we reflected on Saint Teresa for last 9 days was the introduction where Saint Teresa's quotes were taken. Father Ubaldo Fernandez, the main celebrant, in his homily reflected on love, hope and faith and made us to be more vibrant in our apostolate as educators. Our students, the choir, was led by most of the students representing all the classes. The tableau on the life of our founder depicted the life of our founder during those days and the sisters that worked here and the intention to start the school here with a spirit of educative mind. Our instrumental at last brought the spirit of festal mood while most of my students are talented here. The gathering today went back home with lot of gifts and roses from Saint Teresa where she guides each of us. God bless you and a happy feast.